Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 5th, and this is my recap of the top view videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro did have a big push up today. I mean, for me, this is definitely still in an uptrend until we have a break of structure. I definitely am looking for logs until we at least get a break of structure to the downside. This move down is pretty impulsive, so I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it actually stretched out into like a bigger, more drawn out ABC crescent, maybe something like this. But like I said, unless it does break structure to the downside, which my most recent structure level is right here, I am definitely looking for like a three-way pattern to the downside. I'm definitely looking for a Fibonacci bounce with it, which at this point, the 78% is pretty much its last chance. Usually, if it goes beyond the 78%, that means that it is going to go down and break structure. But if it does make three waves down, if it does make a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside at a fib level, I definitely will take it as a long opportunity for the continuation of this uptrend, at least until we have a break of structure to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.